Hello students, we will continue. This is a new topic that is Heron's formula, lesson number, I think it's lesson number 12 in your textbook. Okay, so in this topic we will study about Heron's formula, what is Heron's formula, and we will be solving some examples. So let us start with the basic of this. Initially you have studied about area of triangle. What is area of triangle? Any triangle, its area we can calculate by using this formula, half into base into height. Okay, but with this formula we can only find the area of those triangles whose base and height we know. If we don't know the base and height of any triangle, there is another way of finding out its area, that is according to Heron's. Okay, Heron's is the name of a scientist and he gave this formula which is called as Heron's formula. In this formula, area of triangle is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, here S is semi-perimeter, which is equal to like half of perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. So perimeter where A, B and C are sides of triangle, if these are the three sides of triangle, then perimeter becomes A plus B plus C. This much is perimeter. And if you divide it by 2, it becomes semi-perimeter, denoted by the letter S. So S into bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where A, B and C are sides of triangle. I have chosen one example, that is exercise 12.1. I have started with the first example. You see, question is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. This kind of a board, triangular board in which it is written school ahead. Okay, such kind of a board is an equilateral triangle with side A. This is an equilateral triangle, that means all sides are equal. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. You have to find the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, perimeter is how much? 180, means sum of all the sides is 180 centimeters. What will be the area of the signal board? Okay, so for that, first given is perimeter and sides of triangle. Okay, now what does this perimeter mean? Perimeter means actually A plus A plus A, because it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So A plus A plus A equal to 180, that is perimeter, correct? So this is 3A is 180. So shift the 3 on the other side, so you get A is equal to 180 upon 3, that is 60 centimeter. So one side here is 60, 60, 60. Now according to Heron's formula, area is equal to, this is the formula. Now S, what about S? S is semi-perimeter, means perimeter upon 2. So perimeter was 180 upon 2. Okay, even if you put this formula, same answer you are going to get. That is 90, that is semi-perimeter. Now let us substitute the values and see what we get. 90 into bracket 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60 and 90 minus 60. This is under root of 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Okay, now since 30 is 2 times, so I can take out 130 under root 90 into 30. This 90 can be written as 30 into 3. So this is 30 root 30 into 3 into 30. Now this 30 is 2 times under root, so when it comes out of the root sign, it will come out once, root 3. Now 30, 3 3s are 9 and 2 zeros, 900 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of the board written school ahead. Okay.